Welcome to STK Performance. Today we'll be chatting around the STK Performance valve spring for Golf 5, 6, 7 GTI, TTRS and Audi RS3. We have a single valve spring, which is an uprated valve spring, 75 pounds of pressure at seating distance. At maximum lift, we're looking at around 175 pounds of pressure. So it's quite an upgrade on the higher end. It's probably around 10 pounds of pressure more at seating pressure. So based on the single spring versus the dual valve spring, it pretty much has the same capability from the material specification that we use for this type of product. It's coupled with a chromoly lightweight retainer, and this is 100% suitable for builds up to 600-700 horsepower.